So we've seen that the industry faced some real challenges over the last couple of years. There was a real lack of funds available, exploration expenditure dropped off, but we've seen that turn in recent times. We've certainly seen positive results with exploration expenditure. There is more expenditure, but the real critical factor that's holding the industry back is that we haven't got new funds coming in, and certainly we saw that towards the back half of 2018. I guess across the globe, competition for funds in resource markets, technology plays, medical marijuana, a range of other investment opportunities are competing against the mining industry. And then within the mining industry itself, what we're seeing in Australia is the funds really are going towards iron ore and gold, particularly the gold producers have been very active. And that's really made it difficult for the junior companies looking at other commodities. So what we have seen is that producers are leading the way back into Greenfields exploration. An example of that is Independence Group is spending $29 million in the first half of FY19. So that's where we've really seen the green shoots in Greenfields exploration. The trend we're seeing is spinouts, and it's understandable that advanced explorers have a range of projects they want to diversify, not have all their eggs in one basket. But once a project gets to development phase, it tends to starve the other projects, and we're seeing that companies are spinning out their advanced exploration so that those entities can be seeded up with cornerstone investors and then allow those projects to get a sole focus. BDO Canada has a very strong IT practice in the natural resources space, and we've seen that a lot of their clients have benefited from data-driven M&A. Their clients are building up very rich data sets that can be analysed and add real value to potential acquirers. And that's probably seen additional value resulting in those transactions. We've certainly seen a trend towards more efficient exploration through the use of technology. We've got drilling companies like Index who are really focusing on making sure they provide deep data sets for the downhole data. We expect that to continue. Then we're also seeing trends where analysis of drilling results is potentially changing and may really affect the assay labs. Swift Mining with their OreExplore tool are looking at a non-destructive technology to scan a drill core, which reduces the time for the analysis to be sent back to the mine site, allowing better grade control or to actually dynamically adjust the drilling program. Certainly we're expecting to see industry-wide collaboration. One of the key challenges that faces all the mining companies is access to quality staff. We've certainly seen challenges with the WA School of Mines with enrolments dropping off, and the industry really is rallying behind the School of Mines to try to generate support. So we expect to see where challenges across the industry are faced, that the industry does band together and try to solve those issues. We've certainly seen a lot of government initiatives around early stage funding for exploration. However, they don't tend to be enduring projects, and it sort of comes in and out of focus over the years as election cycles pass. What we have seen recently though is joint initiatives between CSIRO and UWA around developing a deep data set for the Yilgarn and Creighton to find new deposits. ACI Ellen were then engaged to do a study on the benefit of that program, and they found that the $3.2 million of spending would likely result in a benefit of $30 million. I think that we will certainly see the mining industry evolve and rise to the challenges. Now, it's got a long history of changing and evolving over time, and that will only continue. The spirit of mining is certainly still alive. I think the challenges we're facing, particularly with competition for funding, will be resolved, particularly given some of the sectors that are competing for funds will actually drive demand for some of the minerals that we're looking for today. So nickel, cobalt, copper will all be driven by technology. So I certainly think that we have a bright future ahead of us.